In a world where technology and mental health intersect, a groundbreaking question arises. Will AI become your new therapist? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating intersection of artificial intelligence and mental health. This is not just about the future, but about the here and now. AI, once the stuff of science fiction, is making significant strides in understanding and responding to human emotions. It's stepping boldly into the realm of mental health, providing support and assistance in ways we never thought possible. Today, we're diving headfirst into this intriguing topic, exploring how AI is reshaping therapy as we know it. From chatbots offering immediate assistance to sophisticated algorithms predicting our mental health needs, AI is fast becoming an integral part of the therapeutic landscape. With advancements in AI, could machines be the future of mental health support? We're about to find out. So, buckle up and join us on this fascinating exploration. AI has made significant strides in understanding human emotions and providing support. It's a fascinating journey that began with simple algorithms, and today we see sophisticated AI systems playing a pivotal role in mental health. Imagine chatbots, not your regular chatbots, but these are ones equipped with empathy. They're designed to provide immediate assistance, offering a comforting digital presence for those who need it, anytime, anywhere. But it doesn't stop there. More advanced AI systems are now capable of predicting mental health needs. They analyze patterns in behavior, language use, and even social media activity, allowing early identification of potential mental health issues. It's like having a vigilant guardian, always looking out for you. From being a supportive companion during tough times to acting as an early warning system, AI is reshaping the landscape of therapy, and this is just the beginning. From immediate assistance to predicting mental health needs, AI's role in therapy is expanding. AI therapists offer several advantages, including accessibility, anonymity, and consistency. They're a digital shoulder to lean on, offering emotional support at the touch of a button. No matter the time or where you are in the world, AI therapists are ready to lend an ear. This round-the-clock availability is a game-changer for those who need help during non-traditional hours or live in remote locations. Moreover, AI therapists offer anonymity. There's no fear of judgment, no apprehension about opening up. You're speaking to a machine, and for many, this can be incredibly liberating. It's a safe space where you can express your thoughts and feelings without any reservations. Then there's consistency. AI therapists follow program protocols, ensuring a predictable, stable interaction. They're free from human error, personal bias, or having an off day. They're ensuring help is always at hand, especially for those who might be hesitant to seek traditional therapy. The revolution of mental health support is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. However, the rise of AI in therapy isn't without its concerns. As we venture further into this digital frontier, it's crucial to acknowledge potential pitfalls. One of the primary concerns is whether AI can truly grasp our intricate web of human emotions. Sure, it can analyze data and recognize patterns, but can it understand the nuanced feelings of sorrow, joy, fear, or love? And let's not forget the importance of human connection in the therapeutic process. The empathetic nod from a therapist, the shared laughter, or even the silence that speaks volumes. These are elements that AI, as of now, can't replicate. Furthermore, there are concerns about privacy and data security. In a world where data is a hot commodity, can an AI therapist guarantee the sanctity of our innermost feelings and thoughts? Ultimately, the question remains, can AI truly understand the complexities of human emotions? And what about the importance of human connection in healing? Despite the debates, many have found solace in AI therapy. The fascinating fusion of technology and mental wellness has indeed touched lives in unexpected ways. Take, for instance, a woman named Grace. She found herself struggling with anxiety and insomnia, unable to find a therapist who could accommodate her night shift schedule. That's when she discovered an AI therapy app that was available round the clock. Through regular interactions, Grace started to understand her triggers and learned effective coping strategies. Today, she's more at ease and sleeps better, all thanks to her AI companion. Or consider James, a military veteran who grappled with PTSD. Traditional therapy was a challenge due to his remote location, but the introduction of an AI therapist in his life bridged this gap. The AI's ability to provide consistent, judgment-free support helped James feel understood and less isolated, leading to significant improvements in his mental state. These are just two examples in a sea of testimonials. Across the globe, AI therapy is making a substantial difference, offering comfort, insights, and support to those who need it when they need it. It's not about replacing human therapists, but augmenting their efforts, widening the reach of mental health support. We've spoken to individuals who share how AI has helped them navigate their mental health journey. Their stories are a testament to the potential of AI in therapy and a beacon of hope for a future where mental wellness is accessible to all. As we stand at the crossroads of technology and therapy, one thing is clear: the potential of AI in mental health is immense. The rise of artificial intelligence has opened new avenues of support, providing immediate assistance and even predicting mental health needs. Its accessibility, anonymity, and consistency have been lauded as game changers in therapy. Yet with every stride we take into the future, we carry with us valid concerns. The question remains, can AI genuinely comprehend the intricacies of human emotions? And how do we balance the need for genuine human connection in the healing process? Many have already found solace in AI therapy, sharing heartfelt stories of how it has aided their mental health journey. But like any great adventure, the path to fully integrating AI into therapy is ongoing. It teems with challenges and opportunities, with each step bringing us closer to a future where technology and therapy intertwine seamlessly. What do you think about AI becoming your new therapist? Please like and subscribe to our channel and help us to continue the journey to finding better ways to overcome our shortfalls.